This video demonstrates the RemoteShack with the Flex radio. Let's go ahead and give the RemoteShack a call. The RemoteShack can answer on any number of rings you wish.
Enter your passcode.
Enter our passcode here.
Welcome. Extra. Remote base ready. 18. 1, 3, 6, 8. USB. Receive.
The first menu that you come into will be the receive menu as soon as you enter your passcode. From here you can scan the bands, you can also fine tune the frequency, and you can also set and recall memories. So here's fast scan up. Okay, and then we can also stop.
Stop.
And we can also slow the scan down, tune it back in, and then narrow them in.
Stop.
And then we can press keys 8 and 0 for 500 hertz up and down. Okay, and then 1 and 4 for 100 hertz up and down. And then we can also set memories just by pressing 7 and then the memory number we desire to set.
Memory set.
And then at a later time we can recall that memory if we go and we scan for other stations, and then we want to come back to that at any time. We simply enter in 9 and the memory.
18. 1, 4, 7, 8. USB.
From here we can also change the VFO directly just by entering in star plus the frequency that you want, followed by star or pound for VFO A or VFO B. So let's go star 014170 VFO A. We'll hit the star.
VFO A 141700 USB.
And then if we want to change VFO B, of course, we can just enter in star, our frequency that we want, and then followed by pound for VFO B.
VFO B 72370 USB.
Now let's move on to our number 2 menu, which is the antenna menu. From here we can select our antennas if your radio supports multiple antennas.
Antenna 1.
Okay, or antenna 2.
Antenna 2.
Also, if your radio happens to have a built-in
Antenna
tuner
1.
or a connection to a tuner, with key 3 you can take the tuner in, with key 6 you can take the tuner out, and with key 9 you can tune the antenna. If you have a rotor kit that we sell separately, you can rotate your beam. If you have a DCU1 serial protocol controller, this is a ham 4 with a built-in board that you can purchase separately that will allow you to serial control it. So I'll enter in 4 plus my bearing. So we're going to go to 300 degrees here. So we'll enter in, we're on 300 actually. So we'll go to, let's say 250. So we'll enter in 4 plus the bearing.
Rotating to 250 degrees.
From this menu as well, we also have auxiliaries that you can turn on and off. One auxiliary relay, and it is built into the remote-based controller. You can use it to turn on and off an amplifier if you like. You turn it on by pressing key 7 in this menu.
Auxiliary 1 on.
Lights our light bulb. And key 8 to turn it off.
Auxiliary 1 off.
Also, while you're rotating, you can stop the rotation at any time by pressing 0. Let's go on to our filter menu, number 3.
Filter.
From here, you can, if your radio supports it, turn on and off the attenuator, the preamp, the noise blanker, noise reduction, auto notch, or a beat cancel. So let's go ahead and turn the auto notch on.
Auto notch on.
Noise reduction.
Noise reduction on.
Preamp.
preamp on.
Noise blanker.
Noise blanker on.
And we can turn all of those off by pressing 00.
All filters off.
Also from this menu, if you want to select your mode, press 9 followed by 1 through 5 for whichever mode you desire.
LSB. FM. LSB.
Let's move on to our transmit menu.
Transmit.
From here, you can turn your speech compressor on and off if your radio supports it, your tone, your split, and your amplifier on or off if your radio supports it. You can also set a subaudible tone from here. You can set your shift to up, down, or simplex. And also you can set your power by pressing 9 plus 1 through 4.
RF power at 25%. Full power.
You can also turn your Vox on from here if you want to use Vox. And if you press 1 from here, you'll key the transmitter, and 0 unkeys. You will also get a triple beep upon transmit, as you just heard. And you will receive a single tone beep when you unkey, letting you know the status. We also have a settings menu, menu number 5. This basically sets up all the default parameters, such as general, advanced, or extra, your license level. And you set that here so that it basically will keep you in band, so that in case you scan and you scan to the band's end, your license, whatever license you have, it will stop on that band. Of course, you can always go out of band and scan. However, if you're in band and it is your license level that you are in that band, then those band edges you will stop on if you scan at all times. You can also set your password from here. Okay, if you're just entering 4 plus the passcode that you want, you can set your passcode.
You entered 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this correct? Press 1 for yes or 0 for no. Settings.
Okay, and that pretty much sums it up. Press *# to hang up the call.
Goodbye.